And the Pinpoint Weather team has been very busy tracking Sandy's path as the storm continues to move up the coast.
Let's get the latest now from the live Pinpoint Doppler 12 forecast center. Michelle, a lot of folks have been watching us all morning wondering when is this storm going to hit us? When are we really going to feel the impact? And you've been saying all along, anytime between 12 and 6, this will be the worst of it, right?
Yeah, definitely this afternoon through this evening, Patrick. In fact, even our reporters noting that change out there over just the last half hour or hours. The winds have picked up, the rain has picked up. In fact, just got some brand new information, and there was a 64-mile-an-hour wind gust just reported in Buzzards Bay from one of the buoys there. That is a strong tropical storm force wind gust, the kind that can, if it were over land, down limbs and trees and cause power outages. And that's the sort of wind gust we're expecting for this afternoon and this evening, particularly along our coastline. Let's go down and take a look at Hurricane Sandy again. The latest information in from the National Hurricane Center is that the storm has strengthened. It's moving to the north and west. You can see the very heavy rainfall displaced on the western side of this storm, and that's very typical. It doesn't mean that we're not getting any rain. We're certainly getting our fair share of rain, but not the sort of fresh water and rainfall flooding that they're expecting over the mid-Atlantic. In fact, we can take a look at the current view here, and you can see this band of moderate rain that's moved onshore across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. These darker greens with these flecks of yellow where the rain's coming down at a good clip. You combine that with the winds, and it's coming down sideways at times. The latest information from the National Hurricane Center, again, 92-mile-an-hour sustained winds, gusts to 115 miles per hour, moving to the north-northwest at 16. The track is pretty much unchanged, still forecasted to head towards the south coast of New Jersey. Here's the new information in our headline. Sandy is an even stronger storm than what we had this morning. It's going to make its closest pass this afternoon. That's when our impacts will be greatest for the winds. This evening, the greatest concern is for the coastal flood potential, but we are still looking at damaging wind gusts, power outages, and that coastal flooding for this evening. These are some time-lapse video coming in from Narragansett Beach. You can just see that rough surf there during the first high tide this morning. The beach was totally covered in those ocean waters, and even some of the waters coming up and over the seawall. View of the stormy conditions in Dartmouth Harbor, too. Another one of our time-lapse cameras. So the timeline for the rest of the afternoon, the winds are going to continue to strengthen. The storm surge going to continue to come in this afternoon. It's 2 to about 9 o'clock for the worst of Sandy, not only with the damaging winds, but that encompasses this evening's high tide for the potential for coastal flooding. We're still going to see strong winds and rain overnight, but the strongest of it will likely be this afternoon into this evening. Here we are as we go into the afternoon. Now, as you can see, just this huge wind field with the outer circle here representing those winds of 40 miles an hour or greater. This darker red is those 57-mile-an-hour winds, and the darkest sort of burgundy color here that you'll see moving towards the area is those hurricane force winds. So an 80-mile-an-hour wind as it approaches the New Jersey coastline overnight tonight. You can see how close those strong winds are to our area, and I do think we're going to tap into a little bit of that later this afternoon and this evening. How about these seas? 21-foot wave height on our buoy near Block Island, a 26-foot wave height just south of Nantucket, and 23-mile-an-hour winds, 22-foot seas as you head south of Long Island. So just incredible wave energy moving towards the coastline. Live city cam out there right now, 59 degrees, winds from the east-northeast at 30, and those wind gusts right now at about 41 miles per hour. Want to show you the impacts from the storm that we are anticipating. Again, one of the major concerns would be this evening's high tide. You're going to basically double, if not triple, the storm surge heights that we had from this morning, and that's going to lead to the potential for some major flooding around our area. The high tide, 8:23 this evening. So the impacts that we're looking for this afternoon would be for getting more reports of wind damage, trees down, power lines impacted. That's going to lead to what we envision to be fairly widespread power outages, especially at the coastline, that could last several days with moderate to major coastal flooding. Maybe the worst we've seen in 20 years or so. From Hurricane Bob in 1991, rainfall totals will end up around 1 to 3 inches for our area. That could lead to some poor drainage flooding in the heavier downpours for our area. So a lot to continue to focus on with this storm system. And again, we're just getting to those afternoon hours where we're expecting the height of this storm to begin impacting us.
When do you expect it to make actual landfall down in New Jersey?
It's not going to be until overnight tonight.
Okay, well, all right. Thank you, Michelle.
All right, and Hurricane Sandy, as Michelle has been mentioning, has been responsible already for power outages, actually thousands of power outages up the eastern seaboard. Right here in Rhode Island, only about 450 so far at this noon hour.